how to get Rocket League on Steam. Hello everyone, and let's get started. In order to get the Rocket League on Steam, you have to first download and install Epic Games and create a free games account for Epic account. Then after, you can go to the Epic Game Store and search for the Rocket League. After that, you have to click on Continue. If you do not have it on your library already, but if you already have, you can just click on In Library and you will need to download and install directly. After that, you have to agree to the terms and conditions. Once the Rocket League has finished downloading, you have to go to the library inside of your Epic Games. Then search for Rocket League. Click on the three little dots and click on Manage. There you will see Installation tab. Tap on the folder icon so you can open the install location. Then click on Binaries and select on Win64. Then inside of this folder, you should find the .exe file for Rocket League. Now you have to copy this and open Steam on your computer. Then click on Add a game down here and choose Add a non-Steam game. Click on Browse, then click on the address bar up there and then paste the Rocket League file path. And this way, you have to click on Add selected programs and you should be good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.